Welcome to the 3bestones.com. The following video is about the best spanner wrench. Here are the top 3 spanner wrenches that we have picked to make sure you don't waste your time wandering over the internet. At number 3. Williams WS476 Spanner Wrench Set. It is a set of 6 wrenches with different sizes and shapes to fit any nut or bolt. This tool has both metric and standard measurements for easy identification. It is a must-have for any toolbox. The set covers all your needs for fastening and unfastening nuts and bolts of various shapes and sizes. It features a durable chrome finish that resists rusting or tarnishing. At number 2. KAKO Performance Coilover Adjustment Tool. It is a 4-inch spanner wrench that can be used to tighten or loosen the coil springs on your car's suspension. This tool has been designed with a universal opening, which means it will work for most vehicles and models of cars, trucks, and SUVs. It is made from high-quality steel material with a black oxide finish. The tool is made of forged steel and features a long handle that can reach the back of your coilovers for easier adjustments. The spanner wrench has 4 slots, so you never have to worry about not having the right size when you need it. At number 1. Mekar Coilover Adjustment Tool. It is a 2 large steel spanner wrench and 1 small wrench with a mid-tone of voice. It has 2 large wrenches to adjust the height of your wheel, as well as 1 smaller wrench for adjusting the coilover spring preload. This tool is designed to work on the most common vehicles that have coilovers. It has a small wrench for tightening or loosening bolts on your car's suspension system. It also includes a mid-tone wrench for adjusting shocks. For more details, click on the link given in the description below, and thanks for watching our video. If you are new here, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.